Let's make this 3-part circle in 3 simple steps. First off, insert a circle shape. Resize it to 8 centimeters for both width and height. Make sure to remove the outline. Next, go to Shape Fill and select more fill colors. In the Appearing tab, increase the transparency to 50%. Then use the options Align Center and Align Middle to ensure that the shape is placed at the center of the slide. In a second step, duplicate the shape. Since the transparency is at 50%, you can see how the shapes overlap. Make sure both circles are aligned in the center and duplicate 2 more times. Place the 2 additional circles on the right and left side. You want to split your base circle into 3 even parts. For this, select the 3 new circles and under Align, select Distribute horizontally. This way you ensure that they are evenly spaced. In a next step, group the 3 overlaying circles. This way they will move as a unit. Then select the options Align Center and Align Middle. If you can see that your shapes are not yet centered, use the dark triangle in the middle as a guide. It should overlap with the center cross of the slide grid. Then ungroup the shapes. If you want to make adjustments after the ungrouping, you can select all 3 circles individually and still move them as a unit. The Align options, however, only work as a unit. Otherwise, all circles will move individually. Now select all 4 shapes. Go to More Fill Colors again and reduce the transparency to 0. While still having all shapes selected, go to Shape Format. In the Merge Shapes drop-down, select Fragment. Delete all of the fragments outside of the center circle. Make sure not to miss the small elements. You now have 7 pieces left. Select the upper center piece as well as the small arch on the left to it. Give both a different color for better differentiation. With both shapes selected, go to Shape Format. Then select Union in the Merge Shapes drop-down. Both elements have now become a single shape. Repeat this process 2 more times to create a circle that is split 3 ways. Choose the colors to your liking or based on brand colors. As for the center triangle, you can keep the shape or delete it based on your preferences. In the end, don't forget to group the shapes. They will now move as a unit, and you can easily resize the shape without changing the proportions. For more quick and easy tutorials like this, give us a follow, and we will be happy to make your life easier a couple of minutes at a time.